19 million people in the Philippines, but not enough mental health professionals.
Ang bawat isa, anuman ang kasarian, ay may mahalagang papel na ginagampanan sa pagbuo ng ating komunidad. Ang pagpapaunlad sa kakayahan ng kababaihan ay hindi lamang pagpapalakas ng isa, kundi ng buong komunidad. Ang pagkakaroon ng malusog na kaisipan ay mahalaga upang makayanin ang mga hamon sa buhay, at upang mas maging produktibo at masaya ang bawat isa sa atin.
Akong licensed occupational therapist na nagtapos sa De La Salle Medical and Health Sciences Institute, at si Ms. Jem Panganiban ang isa sa pinakamalaking dahilan kung bakit ako nakapagtapos at kung bakit ngayon marami na rin akong mga bata at mga adolescents na natutulungan. Humarap ako sa malaking mental health struggle, at noong time na yun, si Miss Jem, ang aming guidance counselor sa school, naalala ko, hindi niya ako iniwan. Araw-araw niya akong mini-message, at lahat ng supports na kailangan ko nung panahon na yon, referrals, even just simply kausap, si Miss Jem yung nandoon para sa akin. At hanggang sa nakapagtapos ako, noong nag-review na ako for licensure, at noong natanggap ko na yung lisensya ko, si Miss Jem yung isa sa unang nag-offer ng job para sa akin. Marami pang kababaihan at mga tao ang kayang suportahan ni Miss Jem dahil naniniwala ko sa advocacy niya, at alam ko na very trustworthy si Miss Jem.
Hello, I'm Joy, one of Ma'am Jem's heart educator. I am truly grateful for the opportunity to work with her. She is like my second family here. She's not only supportive and understanding, but also genuinely invested in our well-being. I know how good her heart is, and I believe that her advocacy can bring a great impact to everyone. Let's support and be part of her journey as she continues to be the leading voice in the movement towards gender equality, women's empowerment, and mental health issues.
I'm Camille N. Manso, one of the hard early childhood educators of Ma'am Jem's school. As I became part of their school family, I was able to experience Ma'am Jem's affections towards her employees and the motherly figure that nurtures children and parents in our school. We believe Ma'am Jem could contribute so much more and create worthwhile community projects filled with God's grace and wisdom.